Welcome to the World United. Welcome to the World United.
Here, Mr. Bhagwan Baburji, whom I very lovingly call Uncle Ji. So, Bhagwan Uncle is a well-settled person in Dubai, UAE, with insurance business for about 40 years. The entire business is handled by his son now since last 10 years, and he has taken the sankalp to live and serve all the creation of the universe with absolute nishkam bhavna. He is conducting regular classes on yoga, laughter, inner awakening, available all the time for any service. That's a very beautiful interaction that I have. So, yeah, Uncle Ji, if everybody can give meaning to their lives after a certain age, like you can, it would be the planet Earth would be a fantastic place to be in. So, yes, over to you, Uncle Ji. I hand it over to you.
I'm thankful to you all for giving me this opportunity. I'm not a professional person, but from my life experience, what I have learned, I practice and gave me a lot of benefits. So in our life, the most important is breathing. Nobody asks question. They say, my family, my health, everybody talk about outside, but the most important in anybody's life is own breathing. If you have breathing, you can have everything what you want in the life. So in breathing is the most powerful element of nature. Each element has tremendous power. Only we have to connect with them. वो हाथ फैलाए बोल रहे हैं आओ मेरे पास मैं आपको शक्तियां देता हूँ सूरज बोलता है पानी बोलता है हवा कहती है मगर हम इतना बाहर एनग्रॉस्ड है कि we don't connect. Let us connect with our breathing. When the most important benefit of connecting with breathing that your wandering mind comes together and come at one place and connecting with a very strong energy. Breathing is the most powerful energy, only way to channelize them. Yoga is the best medium to channelize our most powerful energy. As we have learned, and even science has proved that our body has only 3% energy. 97% energy is inside us, and which we have not used, we have not tapped. With breathing, we can go inside with yoga, with pranayama, makes our body energy very good, and with this energy only we can come to a religion part of whatever progress we want to make. So I'll tell you in short what are the few important points. My yoga is with laughter. Because in breathing, the two important aspects, one is the inhalation and one is the exhalation. When inhalation is good, you get very good life force energy, pranic energy, very powerful energy. And when we exhale, all our toxic, negative emotions are thrown out. Yoga definitely helps a lot in this process, and we remain very much healthy physically, mentally, and spiritually. By putting laughter, it becomes more joyous and more enjoyable and giving wonderful results. In short, I can tell you what are the main benefits of laughter. This improves your blood circulation and oxygen level. All our body cells are getting a lot of oxygen because we are doing deeper breathing and more deeper exhalation. When we laugh, we inhale, and when we loudly open our mouth and do it, it makes wonderful exhalation. So all your negative emotions, your any sickness will come out. Because of very hasty life nowadays, everybody is full of emotions, negative emotions. So those negative emotions must be thrown out And the best process is yoga, laughter, and pranayama. It opens all your facial glands, pituitary glands, pineal glands, thyroid glands, all gets very much open and they become very healthy. It releases very important 4 chemical, we call it DOSE, dose, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphin. Endorphin is a chemical which creates a lot of happiness within you. So with laughter, and it is a natural way of laughing, so it creates a lot of positivity in your mind and this thing, you know. The next one is inner happiness is going up. Because when your toxins are removed and your doses are released, you become very happy. You don't require outside happiness, which we depend temporary happiness. Improves your very much immunity power. And nowadays in present situation, the best way to protect ourselves is to improve our immunity power so that no outside things can make you sick or like that, you know. And when you have a regular practice and you laugh, we can deal with negative people very easily. You don't feel anything. Somebody is negative, you don't feel it. You'll take it in a laughter way, so it will be very easy to handle negative people. And on the contrary, it makes you positive very much. That's the most important thing, you know. इसलिए बोलते हैं जो हंसेगा उसका घर बसेगा. So we must put laughter in every aspect of our life. Like when I come, I laugh. Ladies putting cream but not laughing. Open the bottle, take a cream and laugh. आप ट्राई करो, ठंडा ठंडा लगता है, कितना अच्छा लगता है. Because I'm not able to demonstrate more, but you know, in every part of life, and laugh. When you are getting up, laugh. Is nobody behind next to you? Is snoring? You laugh. What a wonderful day. So in every talk, when you're brushing, laugh. When you're gargling, laugh. Laugh every part of the life. And I do every day. It's very good laughter in the early morning. I go to my balcony or terrace and I laugh with all 5 elements of nature and give me so much energy, and then conduct my yoga classes. I'm 74 years old, but doing regular yoga, free of charge. All my services are complimentary. I don't charge any money for that. And it gives me so much inner pleasure and inner energy. Now, you know, in laughter also, there are various sounds, you know. If you laugh with different sound, your different body parts will get a lot of energy, particularly facial part, ENT parts become very healthy and strong from inside. So there are 5 ways of laughing. There are so many, but most important 5, as there are 5 vowels in our language, A, E, I, O, U. So I'll make an example of A. You can practice, try if you want. This is getting O. You see your ear will open, throat will open. Hi. You don't need any reason to laugh. Let's become children. You know, children laugh without any reason. You can also laugh without any reason. Just laughing. Just laugh. If somebody asks you why you're laughing, laugh loudly. I am happy person. Laugh makes you so happy, so healthy. And because time is short, suppose now I made a resolution in my life. Whosoever I talk on telephone, at the end I make them laugh, and I laugh. So suppose when I take telephone, after finishing conversation, I make other person to laugh. So I know ladies 50 calls, 60 calls every day. So if the ladies start talking, at the end, it becomes wonderful for both the sides. Other fellow say, no, I will not keep the phone unless you laugh. This way we make laughter. There are lion laughter. There are lion. Take your tongue out. Now see, by this laughter, your lot of exhalation is getting very high. As the exhalation is more, we will have a very good inner experiences. You have to be very playful. कभी हम लोग मैं तो रोज एक गाने पे डांस करता हूँ, अकेला हंसता हूँ, मिरर में देखता हूँ, हंसता हूँ, कुछ नहीं तो कपड़ा पहनता हूँ, वो टाइम हंसता हूँ, हर खेल में हंसते रहता हूँ. मेरा जो सेवादारी है वो एक चीज अच्छी बना के लाया, मैं उसको एप्रिसिएशन करता हूँ, मगर खाली शब्दों से नहीं. हाँ मिस्टर राम, आपने तो बहुत अच्छा ढोकला बनाया. Sorry. It's okay.
Yes, perfect. We are able to hear you. हाँ अंकल जी सुनाई दे रहा है.
तो अगर हम अपने जीवन में हर बात के साथ लाफ्टर जोड़े, नमस्कार, जय श्री कृष्ण, बच्चों से डा करो, सबसे करो, नहीं तो अकेले में करो, हंसो हंसो. बहुत हंसने से आपकी एनर्जी बढ़ेगी. कोई पैसा खर्चा नहीं है हंसने में. फिर क्यों कंजूस, हंसो और सबको हंसाओ. ये सबसे बड़ा जीवन का काम है. सामने वाले का पूरा जो बात है वो निकल जाता है, नेगेटिविटी निकल जाती है. तो हंसने से बहुत फायदा है. चार्ली चैपलिन ने कहा है, लाइफ लाफ एट यू. अगर आप नहीं हंसते हैं ना तो पूरी आपकी कायनात आपको देखती है और वो हंसती है. When you are unhappy, life laugh at you when you are unhappy. Life smile at you when you are happy. तो आप हैप्पी होंगे तो आपकी सारी यूनिवर्स आपके साथ जुड़ जाएंगी और आपके लाफ्टर से, हैप्पीनेस से सब काम हो जाते हैं. दूसरा कहते हैं कि लाइफ स्माइल एट यू व्हेन यू आर हैप्पी. ओके, ये हो गया. But life salute you when you make others happy. तो आप जिसको भी हंसना सिखाएंगे तो वो आपको सैल्यूट करेंगे, क्योंकि उसमें से जो उसको हैप्पीनेस मिलेंगी जो कोई चीज नहीं ला सकती है. और हम लोग हमेशा लास्ट में योगा वगैरह करने के बाद एंड में हम लोग हमेशा अफर्मेशन और ग्रेटिट्यूड करते हैं, वो भी लाफ्टर के साथ करते हैं. तो लाफ्टर से ग्रेटिट्यूड करने से बहुत मजा आता है. अभी समझो एग्जांपल, आई एम ओशन ऑफ लव, आई एम ओशन ऑफ लव. मैं प्यार का सागर हूँ, मेरे अंदर प्यार भरा पड़ा है. आई गिव लव, ऑलवेज गिव लव. I only give love. This much? No. This much? No. Unlimited. Thank you. I think time is over. Thank you. I love you all.
Oh my God, thank you, Uncle Ji. Your energy is so contagious, and at this age, the way you can laugh, it's so amazing, so amazing. आज की यूथ को आपको देखने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि सबके चेहरे सैड होकर घुटने तक लटकने लगे हैं.